Conflicts with relationship between tables. I've been constantly getting a warning on the console and I'm going crazy from how much I've been reading, but I haven't been able to resolve this. Subvarning, relationship book.users will copy column user.uid to column user_book.uid, which conflicts with relationships, user.books, copies user.uid to user_book.uid. If this is not intention, consider if these relationships should be linked with back_populates, or if view only equals true should be applied to one or more if they are read-only. For the less common case that foreign key constraints are partially overlapping, the orm.foreign annotation can be used to isolate the columns that should be written towards. The overlaps parameter may be used to remove this warning. The tables the console cites in this notice are as follows. I use the user_book table to show the user the books he has added. What am I missing? I take this opportunity to ask, semantically the relationship between tables and foreign keys is being done correctly?
As the warning message suggests, you are missing the back_populates equals attributes in your relationships.
I kind of figured this out, as the code in official tutorial. Doesn't it make you wonder why the relationship only exists in user class rather than both class? The thing is, it automatically creates the reverse relationship in keyword class if backref equals users liked parameter is required, I supposed.
It looks right now. Please consider listening and try.